Can you show us how your boat works, just in case?
What's that?
Can you show us how it works?
How to operate this?
Yeah.
You'll figure it out. I had to at one point.
Oh, she went under the water.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Look at this.
Mess with her.
Oh.
Punya ça?
Oh yeah, let's have her come over here.
Oh, now that's with an alligator. She's done.
Forget you. That's his adrenaline thing.
Well, if it's dangerous and can hurt me, I play with it. That's why I was married for 10 years. Ain't nothing gonna kill you faster than marriage.
Oh, it's coming. Uh-oh.
Sticks away. Huh?
What happens if they get mad?
Well, then there it comes.
So look, that one has its mouth open. What does that mean?
What's that mean?